Hello, and welcome to 131 Manhattan Avenue in Oak Ridge. Maintenance-free living so you don't have to worry about yard work. Centrally located in Oak Ridge, super close to restaurants and stores. Vaulted ceilings in the living room. Open kitchen. Nice sitting area or office area. Pantry, laundry, two-car garage, another closet, dining area, there's 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. There's the first bathroom. Convenient to the living room. There's the front door with the covered porch. Down the hallway to the primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings. Large walk-in closet. Vanity area. Ensuite. Down the hall, there are 2 linen closets, one on either side. 2 more bedrooms. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like a private tour, please let me know.